Why hello there, this is John. I've been trying to make a movie and I was using a green screen that I made, but it wasn't very good. There was too many shadows, so I'm going to redo it. This is how I was originally had it. I just had some green material on the roof there, pinned up, then I'd take the pins out and it would just drop down, but it was all shadowy and creasy and stuff. So the plan is to make a frame so I can keep the material rigid, and then I can just use this frame here. It will just like pop up and attach to something back there, I would imagine. So let's get into this. First thing to do is to mark the length here. See how long it's going to be. It's going to be on a hinge, so it'll come down to about there. Alright, now you got your marks. Just use a square and mark that. Now next thing to do is we're going to measure how far down from the edge this is, and it's approximately 10 inches. So that's the first one done. I love these battery powered saws. I remember in the day, well, it originally started out with hand saws, then we came to plug-in saws, now we've got battery operated saws. These are the two uprights. Now then, oh yes, that's going to be the exact size we need. And then I'm going to get the drill holes in, screw them together. Yeah, looks good there. One there, one here, this one here. Let that be square, and we're going to square it up with this. Perfect. Lovely, very nice. There we go, all the way through. Repeat on this side. There we go. There we go. Very nice. That looks good. Now we can put in the cross pieces. Probably. Now the little batten pieces we'll put down there to hold this together. We can use that for this cross brace there. We'll have to put two more one batten piece there. But it's looking pretty good. Alright, so now we have our screen frame here. We need a hinge there, and a hook of some kind. We'll come up with that. But first I think, yeah, we'll figure out how it's going to mount, and then I'll put the green material over. It's green plastic, it's not canvas. And this is where the frame is going to go here. And I just went and got a couple of hinges, so we can stick them on the frame on the hinges, tie them at the back. But first I need to take down the old green screen because we're going to reuse that. I'm going to put the hinge not on the very edge. I'm going to put it so this is in thirds, so one hinge is going to go here, approximately, so the hinge will go here. And what that does, this little drill to start the holes, but I don't know if they're any good or not. I'm going to use these provided screws. You need a tool just to open the packet. Should be alright. Nothing has cracked. We'll go with the 2. So that will go like that. Okay, good. Well, that went well. Next part is to make sure we've got enough clearance here and enough clearance here. We're going to have to move some of this stuff by the looks of it. Now I'm attaching the hasp here and the other part of onto the rafter. Alright, good. Pleased about that. So just put a nail through it to hold it in place so it doesn't mysteriously fall down with unknown vibrations. So next thing to do is to attach this green plastic to it. See how that works. Okay then, we've now got the green screen set up. Everything looks somewhat smooth. I put some lighting here, put a light over there, put a light down there, put a light over here, and I'm going to try and run about 2 feet away from the edge there, and we'll see how that works. And then I'm going to try it with the garage door closed and see if that's any different. Well, I'm glad it's up now. Now I've left some on the floor, so when you get a picture, you can get the full shot of somebody now, because we've got floor coverage, good floor coverage, and that should work. Alright, another good job done badly. Having fun. Thank you. Bye bye.